In this video, I will show you how to restore the missing clock on your Android phone. To start restoring your missing clock, tap and hold an empty space on your mobile screen until options appear. From these options, tap on Widgets. Here, you'll find various widgets that you can add to your home screen. Scroll down through this list until you locate Clock. Once found, tap on Clock to explore different styles available. You'll see several options including an alarm section, an analog clock section, a digital clock section, and even a dual clock option for those who want to keep track of time in multiple time zones. For this demonstration, let's select the digital clock style. After selecting your preferred style, simply tap on Add. This action will place the selected clock widget onto your home screen. If for any reason it didn't land where you wanted it to be, no problem. You can easily adjust its position by tapping and holding the clock widget. Then drag it anywhere you prefer on your home screen until you're satisfied with its location. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.